Okay, so here's the results of our Caribbean gourmet bites, which are finger foods, appetizers. And here we've got savory plantain cheesecakes. Here we've got breadfruit saltfish poppers. Here we've got beef patties. Here we've got jerk chicken wonton cups. Here we've got croutons. We've got oh gosh, somebody help me. fish croutons. Yeah, jerk fish croutons. Here we've got jerk chicken croutons. Here we've got cassava corn dogs. And here we've got tacos. Caribbean beef tacos. Going again. Savory plantain cheesecakes. Breadfruit saltfish poppers. Jerk chicken wonton cups. Beef patties. We've got croutons here. Jerk fish croutons. Jerk chicken croutons and cassava corn dogs.